Hello, Priya. How are you?
I am fine, and you?
Yeah, I'm also fine.
And what are you doing and what do you do?
Yeah, this is Achal. My name is Achal, and I'm from Chhattisgarh, and I'm a college student. That's all about me.
Okay, in college, what are you doing? Just like their graduation and all.
Yeah, I'm in the second year. In second year, I'm a BA, a BA second year student, BA Bachelor of Art.
Okay, and why you are learning English now?
Actually, I wanna enhance myself. I wanna learn something new. That's why I thought let's enhance myself on spoken English. That's
Okay,
reason.
actually, yeah, I have watched and I have gotten lots of a notification about you because you did lots of a session with many persons. So
Yeah.
that's why, yeah, I got to know. And you get messages like mostly time I'm busy and most of the people approach me, but like a busy schedule, I'm not yet getting time for the conversation now. And you know me, otherwise I'll introduce myself.
Yeah. You can introduce.
Okay, just I'm Priya, and I have done my MBBS, and currently I'm doing the job as well as the studies. So job is going like so hectic, so that's why I'm not getting first time. And even booked my cargo sessions. I left because of my 24-hour duty, so that's why I left. And yeah, just I'm going. Yeah, but I really want to improve myself. So I just want to make conversation. But what you are saying?
I'm asking, where are you from? I forget.
Okay, yeah, I didn't mention.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm from UP. Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, I know you.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I'm also from UP, and I'm living in Prague
Yeah, I
currently
know.
now.
Prayagraj. Yeah. Varanasi,
Yeah,
Prayagraj, like that.
so that's
Now
way.
come with.
And
Yeah.
you actually you came here anytime in past?
No,
You
no,
have been there?
I never come in that UP, but yeah, I have lots of friends in lots of states like UP, Bihar, Maharashtra. So they tell me lots of knowledge about their states. So that's why I know.
Okay, that's a great. And when you started your YouTube?
You can say like 6 August 2021. I started recently. I started my YouTube channel.
Okay, and how you got this idea? Like suddenly you got it that you have to start now.
Yeah, it was miracle because I suddenly watched some conversation video on YouTube. So I thought, I can also do so. Let's do something.
Yeah, and before this, I think you have done lots of conversation with your friend.
No, no, no. I was just started to learn English, and recently I also started to learn English language and YouTube channel also because I belong to totally Hindi medium student. In pandemic time, I started my English journey also.
Yeah, that's a great. And I'm also like from Hindi medium, but like just whenever you go like higher education for higher education, that's where you get to know that you have to learn this language. So that's where
Yeah,
you will achieve more success. Otherwise, it's not work.
and in medical field also there need of English because there is lots of subject in English,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, exactly. Everybody like in like medical, even they didn't know, but they have to speak this language because of profession. And if you want to any conversation and seminar is going on and conference interview, so you have to know this language.
Yeah, that's
So
great.
that's it. And actually, behind that, your graduation part, you really you want to anything do in your life, like any competition and all that.
Yeah, after my graduation, I wanna start farming because I'm interested in farming. So my father is farmer, so I wanna make him farming in next level. So I will start farming.
Wow, that's a great. You are different now because everybody has a different choices and hobbies, no? So that's and you are in a different. It's okay that you will change your forming system, and you are the first girl who will do like that way. That time we will
Yeah,
proud of your.
yeah, because
Yeah.
my father have lots of knowledge about farming, so I thought let's do with my father something. So I will go after my third year.
Okay, that's a great. Like after that, you are now you're choosing a different line, and I hope you will do great.
Yeah, I will be do my best. So definitely it will be best with me also.
So that's where you will also learn any farming. I think education is there are part many things in graduation time, books
Agriculture.
and all for
Yeah,
farming.
yeah.
So you
I
are
will.
doing.
No, right now I'm not doing, but after my final year, I will start on that field.
Okay, so that's great. Then
Now,
your father will also like will happy with you.
I thought, yeah, that's why. Because right now I'm enjoying my college life. After that, I will be serious on my life.
Yeah, I think you have to like make your happy journey about. Actually, you have make videos about your happy life of your college too. So that's where people like will remind you and like sharing that apart. And because that time when I was studying, what I got to know that I didn't do anything. So that's why just whenever you sit down in a long time, so that's sometimes you remind that what you did in your college time. So you have to collect every memory. So that's a
Yeah,
great
then I will watch and I will show my videos of people. Look what I did in my
what I
college
did.
life.
Yeah, exactly. Because the memory part and the funny and happiness part is something so different from your like doing study and all. Because they all are giving a smile on your face, so that's what you you have to do. And
Yeah,
not what happened. Everybody was like sharing their story, what happened with me that day, what I did in my study day, actually in college time. I just I was doing study and all thing, no fun and all thing. So that's why just sometimes I was awkward at so that's a
yeah.
great. And
I,
you are now like new young girl, so that's why you have to create and you have to do different things. Yeah.
yeah, because of pandemic, I spent my first year like boring way online study like that. So in second year, I think no, I will not do like it still.
And
I will
yeah,
do.
and actually that's a great you came in this field so early, so that's where you got to know many like exploring things by the YouTube. Yeah, and I came in this yeah, like channel after so long time, and I have done my graduation too. So I think now you are a so inspiring girl to everyone. If you do, you make many videos of your knowledge about and funny part and all the things, and
Yeah,
I think you enjoy your life too. So
yeah. I'm enjoying my life 100%, full of fun and full of motivational, learnful, knowledgeful, everything I'm doing.
yeah, that's a great. And you came in this field so early, so I think you will grow up so actually grow up so more thing like that by actually learning and all things. So that's a great thing.
Yeah, and people also supporting me, like they are supporting me on my YouTube channel, and they are learning also with me. They are saying you are from village, but you are doing super duper work. So I feel happy
Yeah, that's a
that time.
great because you're new generation, and if you are doing anything, so we people are here for supporting you and like also like inspiration from you that you are doing great here. So that's a great thing.
Yeah,
And now YouTube is become a so actually information full like channel because whenever you want to deliver any knowledge and gain knowledge, so you you actually you come from that YouTube and then you can go through that. So that's where you will get
yeah,
so so more
yeah,
things
yeah,
and knowledge. And like also I saw that many people doing many conversation and also getting knowledge about English conversation and all things. So just now everything is going like so good this now this time, and you people are so young for doing and exploring everything and you can change everything now.
yeah. I'm trying to change firstly myself, then my father, because I will do work with him after some year.
Yeah, that's a great day. And I like actually I'm waiting for this days when you will start farming and
So
yeah.
I will
Then
make on
I'm
that related to
yeah,
video, then I will share to
yeah,
everyone.
sure. Firstly, you enjoy your life, and life is going like that way. So you never miss your now present time. So I thought like that way.
Uh,
So it's
yeah, my
that.
funda is be happy and make happy.
Yeah, that's a great. So that's where you will be become like happy now.
Yeah, because I always do smile and around my people they all I make also happy of that people's. Yeah,
That's a great then. And currently, like what I think that only doing a study and now living in your college life now this time. No?
yeah.
So for, after farming, then you will actually go for your aim. I think by actually
uh,
by doing your farming things.
I want to start my milk business also.
Wow.
Like branded like Amul type, like Amul milk like that. I also start my
Okay,
branded.
like it's your brand like that. That
Yeah,
time you will start
Anchu.
when
Yeah, Anchu milk like that.
Anshu milk. Wow. Yeah, different. Yeah, sure. I'll take then. When this will yeah this will deliver and that time I'll get to know that you will start.
Yeah, then after that I will also do much work on YouTube channel. Then I will do many things. I have lots of aims I will fulfill one day.
Yeah, sure. And that's a great that. And YouTube is there for any information. So that's what you will do.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. And you are the only actually daughter in your home. There are any sibling of yours?
We are we are like I have like we live in I live in not we I live
Yeah.
in joint family, so we have a 30 member in my family. There's lots of children, uncle, auntie, mother, father, grandfather, everyone is in my
Then
family.
you do lots of fun now.
Yeah, definitely with everyone, like younger, older. I do with
Yeah.
everyone.
And I think your friends also knowing that you are doing on actually you are working on YouTube, so that's way they also
Uh,
like enjoy your session and all thing.
yeah, yeah, and some people they jealous with me also because they say you are doing that much work, don't. So they feel jealousy also.
Okay. And they always like people always like start teasing and all the thing. Yeah, you are doing these things, and I think that most of the people also make fun of you in a, like
Yeah.
yeah in funny way. So that's way.
Yeah. Everyone always tell me you are doing good work, and sometimes also laugh on me. What are you doing? Do focus on your life like that. So I said,
Yeah,
my life, my choice.
yeah, that's a great. And you will see me one day in a good way. So that's
Just
time
wait and
I'll show
watch.
you. Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
trailer, full like अभी तो like what say?
अभी तो picture बाकी है.
Yeah,
This is a
it's
trailer.
a trailer.
Yeah, I can understand. And even you know that I didn't tell anyone that I started my YouTube, and it's all going like that. Great. When I'll achieve more than that time, I'll like
Oh,
tell
it's like a
them. Yeah,
surprise time, shocking
yeah,
news.
yeah, yeah. I didn't tell because I thought like that nobody is like satisfied, and most of the people like sometimes like say like that what you're doing it's a waste time and all things. So that's it.
Yeah. I also
So
face
yeah.
like that.
Yeah. So, and like in our environment, like nobody can understand, and they have no any idea about YouTube, and also that's where they, yeah, they say like that about you doing it, and you are a girl, you do it like that way. So still like that way.
Yeah, I
And
know.
yeah, so that's why I didn't tell to my friend and all. I thought like that when I'll succeed in the like on the best level, so that time I'll show that. Otherwise, I'm working as a hobby now this time in a hidden
Yeah.
way.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, but
But
that's way, yeah, I'm getting lots of viewer and all things, subscribe and all things. It's going like a great. One day I'll show everything to everyone.
yeah, that's great.
Yeah, and it's a great thing that without actually taking my like friends and all things,
Help.
because most
Yeah.
of the people, yeah, most of the people start their things with the family friends, but I didn't do anything this way.
Yeah. That will be also a surprise time for your friend and family.
Yeah, so that's why I'm waiting this time, and I'm also doing my job too because my job also is going so hectic and study also. So I'm not getting time for more exploring on YouTube. But whenever I get time, so I just want to do anything. And I also got like your talented people who are doing different things.
Oh, I'm not talented. I'm just simple girl.
No, it's not like that. Everybody has a different own criteria and potential. So that's where, and you are doing different things like a farming and all this time. Nobody choose, but you choose. It's a different thing. For me, I don't know about you, but for me, it's a good thing. So,
Yeah.
that's
Let's.
a great what you mentioned when you said now you do farming after that. So that so you will do. So it's a great thing that thing.
Yeah,
And
I
I'm
will.
waiting for unjuice milk so that
Wow. So
yeah.
firstly I'm going to famous. Then after that, I will start my milk business.
Yeah, sure, you will go famous in 1 year. Yeah, every actually everything take time, and some people
We
gain.
have to be patient in every field, like YouTube. Our goal is study, family, friend, in every part.
Yeah, and so that's why I have lots of patience. So I am not like getting so like awkward and like sad because of I'm not doing great on this way. I know that if your hobby is there and you are happy with your hobby, so that's where you will actually you have to do, and one day you will succeed in your life. So don't think about like overthink like that about like sadness part. So
Yeah.
I gain lots of patience about my field because this field gave lots of patients. So
Yeah, you're right. Absolutely. I am also making patience of myself, and I'm doing good. I'm doing hard work with smartness, and
yeah,
I'm
that's a
not
great.
Like I'm not thinking about result. I'm just doing my best. Let's see what will be
That's
happen.
yeah. You said
Yeah.
yeah. That's great line. Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely you
Hard.
will achieve more. Yeah. That's way if you are doing so. That's way you will get more success in your life if your thinking is going like that way.
Yeah. Thank you for that.
No, yeah, I'm saying that because without thinking and all thing, if you do anything, so that way you will achieve more. So I got to know, I knew I learned many things from my life, so that's why I'm just doing like that way.
Yeah. So like you do study as well as job. So do you have any hobby in your free time? I know you don't have any free time, but little bit in your
Yeah,
free time.
I have lots like enjoying everything like singing, dancing, and cooking, and like many things in my life, painting and all things. But like
So,
yeah, whenever I really want to make this, but you know that what's my field is going on.
so do you know singing?
Yeah, exactly. But not this time Mama's there. Otherwise, she will beat me.
Yeah. You will say you are doing practice of English and and
And
you're
you are
singing.
doing this, you're making
I can
like, yeah.
I can understand easily because I'm also girl and I also face like
Yeah.
that problem each
And
and every time.
yeah, she will say that you will make a fool and all things. So that's
Yeah, yeah,
now
I
that
know.
now everyone is going like so smart now, so you can understand.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
Even old generation also is going like so smart.
Yeah,
And
after
they always say that it's not like I'm old, my hair also like turned white because of that all things.
okay.
Because we have watched and we have seen many things, so never think like that, and we are not smart enough.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. Absolutely. My family members also think like that. They think we are not a fool. Don't make us fool.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. So that's a great that you're doing such a great thing and exploring your knowledge and all things on YouTube, and you're doing a great conversation with everyone, and hopefully you can continue, and I think you will continue that journey. So one day you will become a great speaker on that YouTube. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to become. It's also my one kind of dream. So be a stage speaker, like a fluent or give a speech, debate like that.
Yeah, I'm seeing that your leadership like qualities here, so that's I just
Oh,
yeah. So
I
that's
will
why
go
yeah,
in political also after
yeah.
farming, milk business, then political field.
So we will support you, and your YouTuber also viewers is there for your supporting to you after becoming your famous. So that's why you have to post anything about anyone. We have to support here.
Wow, so now I will be politician also after my milk business. Third
Yeah,
dream.
that's what you will do. Yeah, it's like anjus with milk anjus and with it's starting anjus milk with from anjus, and also she is a politician and also she is leader of our gang and all things. So we all always support to you. Yes,
Yeah, yeah,
and just doing a great and do your best here and keep a smile and give a smile to everyone.
yeah, yeah. I think it was too long conversation with you and nice to talk
Yeah.
with you.
Yeah, same here. And you gave such a beautiful, nice smile, actually,
And
to
I
you.
disturb you. I know I disturb you.
No, no, that's a great. That's a great. After like doing so hectic schedule, and you gave such a beautiful session with me, so it was just, really nice to me. And thanks to you for yeah making my time so beautiful now.
Okay, then have a beautiful life and have a great life of your.
Yeah,
If you will free, then we will talk later in your free time.
sure.
Not later.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, sure. Thank you, and take
yeah,
care. And just like you are a smile.
yeah. It will be always like a smile.
Yeah, say yeah. Thank you.
Okay, bye
Thank you.
bye.